What is up guys, Sean here again. Today I'll be unboxing the all new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So it just came in the mail today. I ordered it from Samsung.com last week and this is the latest flagship from Samsung. And yeah, there are a lot of new exciting features that come with it. And yeah, let's go ahead and open this up and see how good it is. Alright guys, so here's the box that it was shipped in from Samsung. And yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Got my beautiful knife here. Cut this box open real quick. There's going to be some extra stuff in there as well, because when you order it from Samsung, you get $100 credit to buy any accessories that you want in these bags. Let's put this box to the side. Wow, it's a lot of paper. And here are all the accessories that I was talking about. So get all these papers out of the way. So yeah, here's S26 Ultra in this box, and then this is the slim magnet case that I got. It matches with the color of the phone that I got. And then I got the magnet wireless charger as well. And of course the 60-watt power adapter, because the S26 Ultra now supports 60-watt charging, which means it can charge up to 50% in 30 minutes, which is amazing. So yeah, you need the 60-watt power adapter to do that. So yeah, I had to order it. And by the way, all three of these accessories, like I said before, were free. So if you order from Samsung right now, you get $100 credit. You can get all of this without any charge with the phone. So a nice picture of the camera module up front, and then on the back it just says S26 Ultra right here. On this side just Samsung, and then on the bottom just some barcodes. On the top nothing much. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this. Again, those really nice pull tabs that you just have to pull. All right. There it is, guys. Wow, the new S26 Ultra, looking all shiny in the silver shadow color. I opted for this color because I think this is the best one out there right now. And by the way, you only get this color if you order from Samsung.com, because this is an exclusive color now. I know it was out there in the S25 Ultra as well, but now it's exclusive color, so you have to buy it from Samsung.com. And I guess there's another rose gold color, which is also an exclusive. So yeah, I was very confused between this color and the black color, but I finally opted for this. Wow, this looks so nice. Look at this. And they're using aluminum body now. They're no longer using the titanium. Looks really nice. Look at that camera module. Wow. Let's see what else we get in the box. So here's the small box right here. I think there should only be a cable, that's it. Let's see. Okay. So there's a SIM ejector tool right here. And then inside here, you get the quick start guide. Of course, the USB-C to USB-C fast charging cable. So here are the volume rockers on the side, power button, and then underneath you can see the speaker, the S Pen, the charging port, and the SIM card slot. Then on this side, really nothing much. And then on the top, again, you just have the mics, and that's it. Let's check out the S Pen real quick. Amazing. And now this year, the S Pen does not have a Bluetooth in it, like the previous year models, which had the Bluetooth. So I don't know. I think the Bluetooth version was of course better, but I don't know, Samsung decided to not include it for some reason. But yeah, let's go ahead and peel the plastic off the display. Nice. So let's turn this on. Okay. Wow, I'm loving this design. Oh, it's already getting a lot of fingerprints on it. It's very shiny. This color, the silver shadow, is I think the shiniest color out of all the colors. And I think this is also the most premium color out there. All right, welcome, English. Let's click on start. We're gonna agree to all that. I'm gonna set it up manually for now. All right, so the Wi-Fi is connected. And that's saying it's preparing for a mobile SIM network. We're gonna skip this for now. Getting your phone ready. The display looks amazing. It's like doing copy for now. Alright, so I've signed into my Google account. So let's go ahead and set the protection. Alright, so the face recognition is set. It's just Google services. We're going to accept it. Meet Gemini, your personal AI assistant. Let's click next. Agree to all of that. So this is the Galaxy AI. This is the latest from Samsung. Shows all the features that work with it. And then you got Bixby in here as well. Let's click next. Okay. Alright, so it's saying choose your display mode. I think we're gonna go with the dark mode. It saves the battery and looks much better as well, in my opinion. So just gonna go to home now. Alright, let's go ahead and put up the brightness all the way up. That's the first thing I want to do, of course. And turn off the adaptive brightness setting. Well, we're gonna turn on the extra brightness, of course. Here it is, guys, the home screen of the Samsung S26 Ultra. Wow, I'm already loving this display. Looks absolutely gorgeous. That's so sharp. Of course, this is the biggest new feature that the S26 Ultra has, which no other phone in the market has right now. That's the privacy display. So you can turn it on, of course, and then if you look from the side, nobody can see the screen. Others can't see what you're doing. This is very important if you're like sitting in a classroom and, you know, watching some private stuff, and you don't want other people to see it. This is very useful. And then there's maximum privacy protection as well. Oh wow, now you can't see the display at all. That is amazing. But it does affect the brightness level of the screen when you turn it on. But yeah, I don't think that you'll be using this all the time. So yeah, this is a very useful feature. You will only use it when you need it. So it doesn't matter if it affects the brightness. That's my opinion. This is the best feature so far in modern smartphones that only the S26 Ultra has. Let's check out the weather app. You can already tell this phone is super fast. Check out the camera real quick. Okay, actually let's zoom into something. It's got 5x and 10x optical zoom as well. It can go all the way up to 100x as well. Wow. So you can see, that's 10x optical zoom picture right there. Looks amazing. So yeah, you can, for the back camera, you got Ultra HD and then you got 8K as well. Wow, amazing. On 8K, you just get 30 frames per second, but on Ultra HD, you get 60 frames. That's what I'm gonna use the most. So we're gonna keep it on that. And then right here is the action mode. So if you're making a video and your phone is shaking too much, it'll keep it steady. It'll keep your video steady. It's got a wide angle lens as well. Very nice. So let's go ahead and download some games. Let's go ahead and download the Call of Duty Mobile. Let's download Angry Birds. So let's test out the S Pen feature real quick. Totally forgot about that. Okay. Unleash the artist inside of you. Okay. Let's create a note real quick. Wow, looks really good. Very precise. I can't really tell this S Pen is really nice. If you press the button, you can erase it, whatever you wrote. So while the games download, let's go ahead and open the other stuff up. Alright, so let's open up the charger first. This is the 60 watt charger that I ordered. It's got a pull tab right here, really nice. just a little booklet inside. I don't think we'll be looking at that. So here's the charger. Oh wow, look at the size of this. Absolutely amazing. This is so small. It says 60 watt, low standby. Of course 100 to 240 watt, so it will work anywhere in the world. I'm sure it's going to be good for traveling because look at the size. It's just perfect. Now let's check out the magnet wireless charger. Again, the pull tab. Here's the wireless magnetic charger right here. Wow, really nice. Looks just like the one that Apple had, but this one's in all black. It says Samsung on the back. It's got a nice aluminum finish to it. The cable is pretty good too, it's braided. And yeah, let's take a look at the cover. And I opted for this color because I think this is gonna go well with the silver shadow color of the phone. Here it is, the cover. Looking really nice. This is where the magnetic charger goes. It's like a plasticky material. Looks really nice. This is how it looks. I think it looks great. Really goes well with the silver shadow color. And while this cover is so slim, it's like you haven't installed anything on the phone. I actually also got the screen protector for it. I ordered it from Amazon. It was like $7-8. Boot this. Perfectly installed. And make sure when you get a screen protector, you get it with this toolkit that you can use, so you install it perfectly every time. All right, so let's go ahead and test out the Call of Duty mobile game. Let's go ahead and play Team Deathmatch real quick. Okay, got Nuketown. Let me see the settings, the graphics, if I can change it. So the graphics are set to very high, frame rate max. That's good. Let's go ahead and play this game. As you guys can see, it looks super smooth. This phone is amazing for gaming because it has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, I believe. Snapdragon Elite Gen 5. Looking absolutely super smooth. This display is absolutely gorgeous. Let's go ahead and use a kill streak. There we go. Let's try out Angry Birds. Loving that display. And that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you liked this video, this unboxing video and a small gaming test of the S26 Ultra. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.